Hello and welcome to Learn to Drive the Easy Way. I'm approved driving instructor Michael Gambin, and I'm going to show you how to drive manual, automatic and cars fitted with disability controls in the easiest way possible. So sit back, relax and enjoy. And remember to hit the subscribe button underneath to see all of our videos. So what we're going to talk about now is the controls of the car. I'm going to be very brief in this video simply because every car is different. But I'm just going to tell you where the accelerator and the brake is, and also where the indicator normally is. Okay. Now, for a conventional layout, so if you do not have a disability, you will be using your right leg only, and the brake will be on the left and the accelerator will be on the right. If you are using a left foot accelerator vehicle, so if you have a disability with your right leg, the accelerator will be on the left hand side and the brake will be on the right. Now, if you are getting a vehicle that's adapted for you for this, you can get what's called a twin flip system, which will allow you to basically change between a left foot accelerator and a traditional right foot accelerator. So if one of your friends wants to drive the car, and you can flip the pedal down to which one you need. When you flip one side down, your other one will automatically pop up. Okay, personally I use Jeff Gosling controls. I find that they're very reliable and they're very smooth action as well. If you're using hand controls, then the lever traditionally will be on the right hand side of the steering wheel, but it doesn't have to be, and you will pull towards you to accelerate and push to brake. Now with a hand control, you will have a toggle switch on the top, like in this picture here. And you will click it to the left to put a left indicator on, click it to the right to put a right indicator on, but you will also have to click it back into the center again to cancel it. It does not cancel itself, okay? It's not like the normal indicator system where if you click the indicator down for a left turn or up for a right turn, when you do a big enough steer, so normally anything more than a quarter of a turn, the indicator will naturally turn itself off. If it doesn't, then yes, you will have to cancel that yourself. The indicators will normally be on the left hand side in a conventional layout though. For lights, demisters, the radio, the windows, the position of the gear selector, the position of the handbrake is different from car to car. So it's good to find out from your instructor where your controls are before you get into the vehicle. So you could ask them, okay, so where's the lights, where's the windscreen wipers? Pick their brains before you even get into the car. Sometimes the instructor will give you some pictures of where things are. I do that for my clients. It's not an industry standard by any means, but I tend to find that it just means that we don't have to sit down and waste time in the car. We can just get on with driving. But again, find out with your instructor what they intend to do. If you are using a secondary device on the steering wheel to steer, so something like this, which is called a Lodgsons. Again, Lodgsons is my main choice when it comes to secondary control. They are very reliable. They use Bluetooth rather than infrared, so you don't have the problem of having to aim it up at the sensor on the right hand side, which can be an issue when you're going into a steer. So you will have, and I'm going to put a picture up on this now. Your indicators again will be done on this particular unit, and to cancel the signal you have to press the cancel button. Again, it's the same as using the hand control. You don't have an auto cancel on this, you have to cancel it manually. Again, when it comes to the Lodgsons layout, it is standardized, but if you're using another company, so Guido Simplex for instance, the button configuration may be slightly different. I hope this video has helped, and if you have any other questions, pop a question in the comment section down below. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you on the next video, which is how to pull away and stop. Thank you.